Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep us focused, satisfied, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So you guys, today I am cooking up something special, and it is a garlic butter shrimp. So I am going to take the shrimp right here, and I am going to turn it not into just into a garlic butter, but a garlic butter with some spice. I don't know if you can see all the spices that I have over here, but you guys, these spices are red. You see that? Zatarines, Old Bay, paprika. That means that there is some heat behind these, and I am so looking forward to it. So if you want to learn how to make a spicy garlic butter shrimp, stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. Okay everyone, I know I am ready to turn up the heat in this kitchen with this recipe, and I hope you are ready too. So in this bowl, what I have are about 1 pound of clean deveined shrimp. And the only thing that I did is I did in fact leave the tail on. It's up to you as to whether or not you want to take it off, okay? But I am leaving mine on. And over here, as you can see, I have my spices. And again, these are spicy. Oh, and before I go any further, I just want to let you know this recipe was inspired by a recipe that I saw on Island Vibe Cooking. So this is where I got this recipe from. Now, it was not presented as a keto-friendly recipe, but when I saw it, it's like, oh yeah, okay, this is definitely keto-friendly. There is only one substitute I made, and I will tell you about that in 1 second. But what I'm gonna do right now is I am going to take all these spices and I'm gonna put it into this plastic bag so that I can coat this shrimp with it. So I've got some black pepper, and I will leave the measurements on the screen. So here I've got some black pepper, I've got some paprika, some Old Bay seasoning, and some zatarine. And like I said, you see all that red? That means we got some spice going on here, you guys. So, and another thing too, what I did is I did in fact reduce the amount of spices that was used in the original recipe, and the only reason why I did that is because I felt like the original may be a tad bit too spicy for my liking. So I will tell you the same thing, adjust accordingly to your taste. Okay, let's shake this up. So these are the spices are well combined. Okay, and I am going to drop this shrimp into this bag and shake it up. The last of it. Shake, shake, shake till everything is well coated. And we are just about there. All right. That is looking evenly coated. All right, so the next thing that I'm gonna do, and this is where I deviated from the original recipe. What she did is she added some cornstarch to this so that when she cooked it up, it got a little bit of a crust on the shrimp, which is what attracted me to it, you guys, along with the spices as well. But The cornstarch has, it seems like a higher content of carbs, and you already know in a keto-friendly recipe, we need to stay clear of carbs. So, what I am going to use, don't know how it's going to come out, but it is worth a try. What I'm going to use is some whey protein. And the reason why, and this is the brand that I have, I got this off of Amazon. And the reason why I am going to use this is because I have used this as a coating for a fried shrimp as well as for a fried chicken tender. So good. So I'm thinking, okay, that hopefully I will get the same result for my shrimp. So to this, I am going to add this whey protein, reseal my bag, and shake, shake, shake again. Okay, all right. Okay. You guys, this looks and smells amazing. Amazing. Now this is ready. This is ready to go over to the stove so that we can saute / fry these up in some butter. All right. This is what we have, you guys. So let's go over to the stove. I'll meet you there. Now this is a close-up of these seasoned shrimp, and we're off to the stove. And we are putting 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil into a heated pan, and we do this to prevent the butter from burning. Next, I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to let this melt down before I add in the shrimp. And you guys, I have a knife here, but please trust and believe I am not letting this knife touch the bottom of this pan. Otherwise, it would destroy it. See, I came back with my wooden spoon. And by the way, these wooden spoons, I did purchase them from Amazon, and I will leave the link to them in the description. Love, love, love them. Now add in that shrimp. And try not to overcrowd the pan, and I was really close to doing exactly that because you want the shrimp to have enough room to touch the pan so that they cook evenly. And we are starting with cooking 2 minutes per side, as per the instructions. That timer has gone off. Now it's time to turn. And we will be cooking 2 minutes on the other side. Now at the end of this additional 2 minutes, I checked to see the progress of my shrimp and felt that it needed additional time. So I did in fact cook my shrimp for another 2 minutes for a total of 6 minutes. see how golden brown they are, and they are starting to get crispy. I took them out of the pan and I brought the pan back to the stove top. And to it, I am going to add another tablespoon of butter. Now, this is your recipe, so if you want to add more butter, you do exactly that. But I am making the sauce right now that the shrimp will be coated in. So again, if you want additional butter, please adjust your recipe accordingly. I'm going to melt this down. And to this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And you guys, it smells so good in this kitchen with the spices that are left in this pan from the shrimp and this garlic and this butter. Oh my, so good. And it's about to get even better because we are going to add some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And this juicer, I purchased this from Amazon. And let me tell you guys, it made my lemon juicing life so much easier. Love, love, love this as well. I will leave this in the description. And put that in the pan and stir all the ingredients together. And you guys, this garlic is just releasing all of its goodness into this sauce. And now it's like a light brown. And we are going to get ready to add the shrimp back into this pan. Okay, keep stirring this shrimp and flipping it over so that we can make sure that it is thoroughly coated in this sauce. And you guys, look at this shrimp. It is now ready to serve. It is golden brown. It is tender. It is well seasoned. And it is going to be, oh, so good. All right, everyone, from stovetop to table. If you guys could smell just how awesome it smells in this kitchen, you would be like, Deborah, send me some right now. So guys, next time, I'm gonna get right into this and I'm gonna let you know just how delicious this is. I already know because it smells phenomenal. Thank you, Lord. This is delicious, you guys. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. That was necessary. This is so good. This is the perfect blend of that spice and the garlic and the butter and the lemon. Phenomenal. This is a phenomenal recipe. I will definitely leave the link to the original. Again, the original is from the site called Island Spice Cooking. And again, I will leave that link. Thank you so much for an awesome recipe. And again, it was not advertised as keto, but it definitely is. So you guys, it is It is a great day. You make it your own kind of special. I intend on doing exactly that. Remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you have not yet pressed the subscribe button, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Press it down below. And guys, until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you all so much for joining me, and again, make it your own kind of special. I'll see you soon.